less infrastructure in the backcountry. So whether that be rangers or whether that be people doing work on the trails, there's less people out working. And we're just trying to educate folks that there's less people, meaning that the trail work is going to be, there's not going to be as much done. So no one else is going to clean up your trash besides you. And no one else is going to make sure you're safe besides you. Just really like letting people know that a lot of this stuff is up to them, that they need to be good stewards and they need to take the agency in the environment to be able to have it last for their children to be able to hunt.
Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick little update video and just kind of talk about something. So I'm not hiking the Pacific Crest Trail this season or the Appalachian Trail right now, but I did come across an article that talked about how the state of things going on right now will impact trail maintenance and, you know, cleaning it up and enhancing it. So I can't attest to what that's gonna look like because I'm not going out there, like I said. But what I do want to say is that we're all backpackers and hikers, and that no matter what, we're gonna hike over it. We're going to cross that bridge or find a way around it regardless. We're gonna adapt and overcome. We're gonna, you know, sleep where we're gonna sleep, and we're gonna continue on. So I guess I'm here to say I'm not too worried about it, although, you know, it's always good to have, but I don't think it needs to be hyped up or worried about as much, because we're a certain kind of people, and no matter what the case, we're not going to stop hiking. So I say all that to say, don't let that stop you. Get out, get hiking. If it's not the AET, it's not the PCT. Just to let you know, Florida is always open. Right now I'm walking a small section of it and it's 86 degrees, and you know, trail conditions are dry and perfect and well maintained. As you can probably see behind me, it looks amazing and it's warm. So yeah. So thanks for the quick check-in. I'm going to also post the link to the article down below so you guys can check it out. But like I said, we're backpackers. I would say we're probably some of the most resilient people. We made the trail, we maintain the trail, we hike on the trail, we sleep on it, we love it. So no matter what, just get out there. If you're interested in coming down to Florida and doing a guided backpacking trip, send me a DM, and I'll get back to you so we can get out there together. Or if you know somebody who's interested, like I said, Florida's always open. So I'm gonna wrap this up, guys, but I just wanted to make sure you guys are staying confident. Get out there. We'll talk soon.